Alright guys, this is David with True Dreams, and today is a video on my WOLFpak bag. Now, if you looked at my past videos, we've done this video once before when I first got it, but I've had it over a year now. So for those that are still thinking about getting this bag, hopefully this helps you guys out because I use this freaking thing every day. and I abuse it, throw it in my car like anybody would, and it still looks like it's brand new. And I literally throw it around and I fill it with all my junk crap, whatever you want to call it. And so I want to show you guys again just some more features this thing has, and anybody that's contemplating getting the 35 over the 45 or vice versa, highly recommend the 45, only because you rather have, in my opinion, more space than you need than not enough space. Because the cool thing about this thing is you can actually compress it, and then on the side it's got your straps so you can squeeze it and really make it smaller than what it is. But I use this both for the gym, and I did have a comment on one of my videos before where I think someone said something that it's not even for the gym, the guy doesn't have any gym stuff in it. So I'm going to show you everything is in this bag just to show you. I do take it to the gym. I may not take all my supplements that I see people take in their gym bags, but I do carry a lot of different things in here. Plus I always shower at the gym, so just for those that do the same thing, you'll see that all my toiletries and everything is inside the gym. So let's start with the front. Front, man, you got to personalize your bag. So I love the ability to put your own personal labels on them, or whatever you want to call it. I have the True Dreams Fitness, no excuses, layers, and effort is a choice. But I like the ability that I can put whatever I want right here. And I think my wife's bag, she's actually put even more. But the cool thing also is, WOLFpak makes several different types of bags, not just sizes. They do meal bags, and then they do bags like this. So my wife has the bag that does meals. This one is the one that does kind of everything, go to the gym, whatnot. So the front, you have all these little rings. You can hang and store a bunch of stuff on the front. I choose not to. I feel like the bag is big enough, but you do have that ability. We'll start with this front pocket. And again, I carry all my toiletries all the time in here. So I'll carry my brush, I carry my hair gel, container that I keep my Q-tips in. You got your toothbrush, you got your toothpaste, and then of course if you get hurt at the gym, you got some Band-Aids just in case. You never know. So, and then of course you can put plenty of other things in there, but usually the toiletries, plenty of room to put everything in this big front pocket, nice and neat and organized, not just thrown in one big open area. And then the next pocket is probably the one I use almost the most. So when I'm at the gym, I always put my wallet in there, big old phone. Here's for the guys that didn't think I have any, things for the gym. Here's some wrist straps I keep in this top section. It makes it easy for me to get to and access. You got your little chapstick. I keep some extra packets, for drinks. And the kind of cool thing about, and I haven't used it once, but the cool thing about this bag, it actually gives you an extra little tassel, but you put it on the zipper just to make it easy to zip back and forth. But I haven't had any problems. Again, if you look at the past video I did when I originally did this thing, you'll see it's over a year old. So it proves I've had this for over a year, and like I said, it looks practically still brand new, and I use it every single day because I use it for 2 different gyms that I go to for weightlifting as well as pickleball. So we'll zip that up. Next pocket, lots of pockets. I love having lots of pockets, and each pocket has 2 zippers. You gotta have, again, more stuff for the gym. We got a big set of headphones, and then I have my razor and shavers in here, and again, more stuff for the gym. I carry my wrist wraps, if we're doing back workouts in there, and then have some cool extra pockets right here, which typically I put extra razors, things like that. Of course, I could put that in the other area. I was just trying to keep things that aren't, because if it's around moisture or wet things, they may rust. So I keep those separate. But we'll put those back in there. And of course, you can stack as much junk in there as you want, but it is a nice big pocket to put all your stuff in. Let's go to the next big pocket. So this is what I really like about this bag, because it opens up like luggage. Again, I use it to go to the gym to shower, so I keep all my clothes. I have to take a towel because our gym doesn't offer a towel, so I have to bring my own. And this is, I'm showing you guys with a big puffy towel. A lot of times I use a much thinner towel, but this is a real big puffy one, so you can kind of see. But the cool thing is, again, just lay it down, and it opens up just like luggage. So that's what I really like, because everything just completely fall out. But look at this, I got this big old stinking, honking, big old thick towel, which again, I usually don't bring the big thick towels, but just to show you, it does hold a big towel. Got a pair, shoes for the day, shirt folded up, pair of shorts. Of course, you can see I could put more than that in there. And then you have, socks and underwear in these areas. And then you got another pocket, a little zipper here, put some more stuff in there. So tons of space. I could bring a whole change of clothes into, which I do, because I go to the gym early in the morning, go work out, take a shower, and then I'm going to work after that typically. So I need to shower at the gym, and like I said, I have to bring my own towel. So close that big bad boy up, and like I said, this thing holds so much stuff. That's why I highly recommend getting the bigger bag. Now we'll flip this thing around, and you can put whatever you want. It's actually a big padded area on the back side. So you can put a laptop, iPad, or pickleball racket for those of you who play pickleball. So it makes it nice and easy to carry this with me. And of course, it's gotta be green, right? It's gotta match the rest of my bag. I just like green. So matter of fact, I just noticed that if we turn this to the side, got a nice water bottle, it's green. But one thing I really like is I'll put this thing in, and I'll put it in the side, and I'll literally will throw it in my car, and it'll fall over and whatnot, and it never comes out of this. So it holds it really nice. So it doesn't fall out very easily. This is one thing I really like about this bag. It has another one on the other side. But if you need to use both straps, most of the time when I carry it, it's a single strap. I don't usually use both straps. But if you choose to, you got that nice big padded area. You have a chest strap as well, which makes it nice. And of course, you got more customization. You can add another patch there. If you didn't notice at the top where the handle is, if you don't want to use the straps, because you can't carry it, like that, at the top, you do have another patch that you can remove and make your own whatever you want. WOLFpak gives you all these areas to add your own personalization, I guess, with all these patches. So let me think. Oh, and then we also have another strap underneath, which I always keep it closed. So if you're really backpacking, or because this is a multi-use bag in a sense, I wouldn't say it's just a gym bag. I'm taking it to the workout gym. I'm using it when I go play pickleball. And then if you go hiking, let's say, you can put all kinds of other stuff in here, and then you have another double strap here. So you have a chest strap and a lower strap, so it makes it even more comfortable if you're carrying a lot of gear in the bag, up nice mountains or hills or what have you. So anyway, guys, like I said, if you want to see the whole review of the video, you can take out my first one, but just to show you guys, I've had it for over a year. Proof that great bag, I love it, use it every day, and a year later, it's almost like brand new. So hope this helps you guys when you're looking for researching your bag of choice for whether it's the gym or whatnot. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section down below. Until next time, we'll see you guys.